What's up guys, the OnePlus 70 is still fresh out of the oven and yet to launch in many other markets, but we already have OnePlus 8 leaks. Yes, 3D renders aka CAD renders aka first ever look of the next OnePlus flagship have been leaked more than 6 months before the phone's launch, and this all happens thanks to the great leakster on leaks. We have seen this year he leaked the iPhone 11's design way more early than official launch, and now it's time for OnePlus. So this is how the next OnePlus flagship will look like, and from the first glance you can notice the biggest change in the OnePlus 8 is the punch hole. From the look wise it looks like a small change, but from the tech wise it is the biggest change in the OnePlus 8. Samsung is the one and only company in the world who can make punch hole AMOLED displays. There is a reason why the S10 and Note 10 family are the only phones to have a punch hole AMOLED displays, because Samsung was decided not to sell their biggest tech to any other smartphone manufacturer, but seems like next year Samsung could sell their biggest tech to other manufacturer, or maybe just to OnePlus, because OnePlus was also the first company to get the Samsung's 90Hz display, so maybe they are just selling it to OnePlus. If this thing happens, then the OnePlus 8 could be the first non-Samsung phone to have a punch hole OLED display. And not only that, this display is also going to be in 90Hz panel. Yes, OnePlus officially confirmed at 70 launch that all the phones after 70 will get 90Hz refresh rate. Now it's a 6.5-inch large display with dual curved sides, which looks really premium, and towards the back we have a very similar design as of the OnePlus 7 Pro, the same camera layout. But this is not all. OnePlus 8 will also be the first OnePlus phone to have a wireless charging support. Yes, OnePlus finally bringing the wireless charging into their next big thing, OnePlus 8. OnePlus always giving reasons to not bring in the wireless charging, and the reason was the wireless charging is not that much faster, which OnePlus wants. So now it's interesting to see how much speed OnePlus is bringing with their OnePlus 8. Now this is the OnePlus 8. OnePlus could also launch a OnePlus 8 Pro, maybe with a quad cameras at the back and dual punch holes similar to S10 Plus. By the way, OnePlus 8 has the smallest punch hole ever compared to any Samsung phone, so if 8 Pro will have dual punch hole, then I don't think it will hide that much screen area as of the S10 Plus. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think about it? Did you shocked to see the OnePlus 8 so early? And subscribe to the channel for more OnePlus 8 leaks, because now it started. And like this video, and yeah, see you soon.